porterhouse steak. The salt, and we're gonna salt it all. Salt shaker sucks. We gotta return this. 30 minutes after salting, we're gonna pat it dry. So now we're gonna use the avocado oil because it has a high smoking point. Now we're gonna sear the steak on both sides. Make sure you put it over the center because it might sink in. So now we're gonna let it sear for 3 minutes on one side. Okay, so now we're gonna flip it because it's been 3 minutes on one side. It has a pretty good sear. Some butter, put it in the pan. Just smash garlic, put it in the pan. Put some tin foil under this part of the steak because this is thicker, this is thinner, and the thinner part cooks more. We're putting like the little buttery stuff I burnt myself, over the steak. We're gonna take out the steak and we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. How I like my steak, perfect, medium, well.